What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Edward, and on Instagram I go by Trail Ready Forerunner. Welcome. So in my last video I got a lot of questions on how durable the spray paint I used to spray paint the leather is. While doing the second part of the video, the spray paint actually failed on me. So I did put it through a pretty tough test of not peeling when I used really sticky adhesive tape, but it did. Now, I don't know if this will happen on normal wear and tear of you driving, but I just wanted to put this out as soon as possible so you guys are aware of the situation. Like I expected, I was hoping for the best, but as you can see, the tape ripped up some of the paint that we added. And the reason why I didn't use blue tape, which is a little less tacky, is because I wanted to see how durable this paint was. I got a bunch of questions asking me on how long you think this would last, and I wasn't sure just because I've never used this SEM clear coat before. And I know I put out this video as a budget way to repair and refurbish your steering wheels, but I wanted to make sure I didn't baby this and then you guys do it and this starts peeling on you within a week or two. So I let this paint job rest in the garage for about 2 weeks before I did this portion of the video, just because I really wanted this to cure. And unfortunately it did cure, but as you can see we have chip marks, so now I have to go back and repair this. Now I know this is a budget way to repair your steering wheel, but I had a couple of viewers who reached out and told me about Viper products, and that was a company that I was thinking about going to when doing this whole process. But since I am a beginner and I've never done this before, their website isn't very user-friendly, so I wasn't sure what I needed to pull this project off. So I skipped them and I went to the forums and people recommended this. Let me do some more testing. I'll install this and let you guys know how long it does last when I do repair these scratches. And I'll leave an annotation down below or come out with a new video if I do or don't recommend this product. Viper product looks like stuff that the professionals use, so I would recommend that a lot more. But we'll see. I actually did reach out to Viper products to see if they wanted to collaborate and help me put out a video to show people how to do it themselves with professional products. I'm still waiting for a response, but if I do get one, you'll see a video soon. The SEM Color coat did fail on me when I used the green tape, which is a strong masking tape for painting. You could probably avoid the whole situation if you use like lighter tape like this yellow one. I did fix it using this stuff and it looks really good. I mean, to be honest, I didn't expect the steering wheel to be perfect like new, so this kind of fits what I wanted. But if Viper products does reach out to me and wants to do a collaboration video, I'll go pick up another steering wheel and create a whole new video on how to repair a steering wheel with professional products. If you're on a budget and you want something quick and you don't mind kind of touching up with this stuff every once in a while, I would go ahead and use this. But if you want something professional and you don't want it to peel, maybe look into Viper products. I'll link some down below. I'll link to their website. I don't really have much information on how their product works. I know they use a different method like dyes and some other things, but I'm not a professional. I'm a total DIY type of guy, so I would do your own research when it comes to their products. All right, enough of that. Let's end this video.